Hey guys, Chris Cook in Nashville, the beautiful Ash Taylor.
Hi.
SALTT has released a brand new flavor, and I'm really excited about this. Introducing the Radical Grape. I know there's a lot of people out there that are going to be really happy about this because they have been wanting grape for a long time. SALTT is something we have every single day because electrolytes are a really, really important thing for us, and especially on days like today. What are we doing today?
Today we are going to film a music video
Yep.
and do a photo shoot about an hour outside of Nashville.
Yep, and we got the dog in the back because
Yeah.
she is going to be in the video as well. So we're going to be doing the music video stuff today. We're going to need our electrolytes.
Definitely. It gets very hot out there, out in the sun, and just doing take after take. So having electrolytes with you is a must-have.
Absolutely. So we are going to give these a try for you guys. And I thought it would be fun to put them in some sparkling water. So we have sort of a little grape soda vibe going on here. See how they are with that. So these are generally mixed. I'm trying not to totally shake the bottle too hard, but we're just trying to get those mixed in there. And that's one of the things. SALTT actually dissolves way better than most of the other electrolytes that I've used in the past.
Yeah.
So SALTT is by far our favorite form of electrolytes to get, especially the flavors they have are so good. And I imagine this grape will be as well. But even if you get the unflavored, just the levels of potassium and magnesium you get comparatively by serving to a lot of other electrolyte brands out there, SALTT is the winner. So I'm going to let ladies go first and see if she wants to take a little sippy here. Careful opening that so we don't spray everywhere. There we go.
There we go.
I drank some of the water out because if you're going to use the sparkling water with those little thin neck bottles, you got to drink down so it doesn't totally just explode on you.
Well, let's do it. Smells like grape soda.
Does it?
Yeah. The smell totally took me back to being like a kid. It's awesome. Oh man, that's really good.
Let's see.
Heck yeah. That's really good.
It's like an electrolyte version of just an old-fashioned grape soda.
Yeah, it's really good. The flavor definitely just takes me right back to being like a kid. Really good grape flavor. Sometimes I feel like grape can be a hard one to nail.
Yeah.
Because you don't want it to taste too sweet, too artificial, too tart. I'd say that's just right, though. I think that's awesome.
Well, there we go. Yeah. Well, I'm definitely going to be enjoying some of this incredible Radical Grape. So you guys make sure to go get yourself some Radical Grape. I'll make sure I have the link in the description box so you can go to the Keto Chow website, buy yourself some SALTT, and use my link. You'll get a discount. So 10% off. And who doesn't want 10% off of their brand new Grape SALTT electrolytes? So
yeah.
What do you think?
I approve. I'm really impressed with SALTT and Keto Chow and just their commitment to quality. I love how they keep like coming out with new flavors or updating the old ones. And literally when I think, they can't improve, that's so good, right? It's like they come out of nowhere and boom, they have a new flavor or a new version of a flavor. And I'm like, wow, it's better. Yeah. So I love it.
Well, cool. We got our grape electrolytes. I'm bringing the rest of the pack with us today so that we can have electrolytes while we are out on the ranch doing our filming today, because it's going to be a long, hot day.
Definitely.
But we're going to have a lot of fun. So we're going to drink some SALTT electrolytes. We're going to get out of here and go film a music video. You guys get that link down below so you can get a discount on your SALTT. Go get yourself some SALTT and keep yourself hydrated, because the foundation of good health is things like water, electrolytes, and eating your meat. So we'll catch up with you guys very, very soon. This is Chris Cook in Nashville. That's the beautiful, all done up today, Ash Taylor. Look at that piece of gorgeousness.
I took a shower for this music video, guys. I hope you admire that. Yeah.
Yes. Make sure to be on the lookout. AshTaylor.com for all of her info as well. And we will catch you guys very soon. This is Chris Cook in Nashville, the beautiful Ash Taylor. Eat your meat. Now drink your grape SALTT electrolytes. Love your life. And we're going to see you in a music video very soon.
Bye, everybody.